So here's a quick little video on how to lube a Glock 19. First, ensure the weapon's clear before you start disassembly. So now break it down into the four main parts. These four main parts require very little oil, and I'm emphasizing that now, and you'll see why later. So two quick dots on the barrel, one on the barrel, one on the barrel lug. And one less dot back in the action. Then we're going to have a crappy cut graphic here because I used too much lube. Insert corny yet hilarious joke here. Wipe the excess off, reassemble in the opposite order that you took it apart. Do a function check at the end to ensure everything's working properly, and that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions.